In this video, I'll show you how to add second clock in Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, what you need to do, you need to head over to your Windows settings, right? This is our Windows settings. I'll come on here. I'll click on this. I'll click on the settings, right? Once I've clicked on the settings, you'd go here and type in date and time. Date and time settings, right? Wait for it to display. So what I need to do, I need to add a second clock in my Windows, right? So you scroll down. This is additional clocks for different time zones. I'll click on it, wait for it to open, then you tick this show this clock, right? I've already added this up before, right? But I'm going to add this again, right, for you guys. I'll click on this show clock. I'll come on here and select any time zone of my preferred choice, right? I can select let me say I would select Moscow. I would come on here, enter display name, I would type in Moscow. Once I'm done with that, I'll click on this apply, I'll click on OK, right? I'll close this page. Once I close this page, I'll click on this my time. You can see Moscow has been added up right here, right? So currently in Moscow it is 9:24. So this is how you can add second clock in Windows. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.